Hi there, in this video we're looking at the long black candle as available from our candlestick pattern indicator for NinjaTrader 8. You'll find more information on that in the premium section over at lizardindicators.com. This is basically a bearish one-bar reversal pattern that may indicate the reversal of a uptrend. And so these three lines here signify the uptrend, and the current bar is a down close, and the candle body is X times larger than the average in the look back period. And the lower shadow size of the candle does also not exceed a fraction threshold of the body size. And so both of these conditions are user selectable. You can define the X times above average condition as well as the lower shadow, a fraction of the body size. So by default, we've set this to 0.25 for the lower shadow, and the long black candle to be 3 times the average of the reference period. So now we can have a look at the indicator dialog box and see how you can customize the pattern requirements. We see two long black candles plotting in a uptrend defined as a reversal pattern. And you see the max body size is set to 3 times the average. The max lower shadow size is 0.25, factor of the body size itself. And we see that both of these patterns have fairly small lower VIX. So that is in line with the definition here. The reference period for this example is set to 250 bars. And so these two patterns are 3 times the average found in the look back period. You can also set the long black candle to plot in downtrends. So this one would probably qualify depending on the lower VIC requirements here. Let's mark it off and see what happens. We see a long black candle plotting here, and we now have it defined as a reversal as well as a continuation pattern. I think for this example, we will just stick with the original reversal condition. And so one way of using this is, of course, to give you a heads up on a emerging short setup that might materialize itself. There is a change in investor psychology during this uptrend, negating what happened down here. You can also, of course, use it as a exit condition for a existing long position. So let's say you took an entry on the rising 3 methods pattern. This would give you a good indication that it's time to close out on that position. So with that, I'm going to conclude the video on the long black candle. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out via the contact form over at Lizard Indicators. Otherwise, send me an email at info@lizardindicators.com. Until then, take care and bye-bye.